Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw something super colorful and fun, a rainbow flower with a happy face.
Yay!
Are you ready? Let's begin. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's draw a big circle in the middle. This will be the face of our flower. Now, let's draw petals all around the circle. Petals make our flower look happy and beautiful. Keep going until your circle is surrounded with petals. Great job! Now, add some small lines on each petal to decorate them. Inside the circle, let's make our flower super cute. Draw 2 small eyes and a big smiling mouth. Yay! Our flower is smiling. Now, from the bottom of the flower, draw a straight line down for the stem. Then add a leaf on the side. Perfect! Now let's add some ground under the stem so our flower looks like it's growing from the soil. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Here are my color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Let's say them together while coloring. Yellow color.
Wow!
Cream color.
La 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 la.
Pink color. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Bottle green color. Green color. Orange color. Red color. Brown color. Silver color.
La da 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 dee.
Whoa! Look at that beautiful rainbow flower. It's shining with happiness. Awesome job, friends! You did amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.